Hello, I'm Design Guy. I'll show you how to sync your video with a catchy beat in Canva. Click Create, select Videos, then choose Landscape Video for this tutorial. Next, open Elements and select Videos. Now, add the video here. Set the duration to 2.4 seconds. Add a few more items, then search for the desired videos to include in your project. Add another video, select this one, set speed to 2.4, and set the target location here. Set the duration to 3 seconds, then add an audio track using a beat or beats as needed. Drag and drop this photo to cover the entire video clip. Then, we'll proceed to add the next element. Match the move, increase the duration, and click Apply between all scenes. Next, add animation to each video. For the first, add a stamp animation, clicking both clips. Then add animation to the last video. Select both clips, add the neon effect in the middle, then select both again. Click Preview to play the video and see the current intensity effect applied. To export your video, click Share, select MP4 format, then Download. With a Canva Premium account, you can also increase the video quality before downloading. Now you know how to add a beat effect in Canva videos like, and subscribe for more easy editing tips.